Okay, so this one is cumulative frequency curve. Shows 200 cars. If we're trying to find the median, we would look at our cumulative frequency at 100, and we would use our ruler, and we're reading to the fifth curve, and we can see it's 60. Find the interquartile range. So what we would do is find our 2 quarters. So we've got 200, so that would be at 150. So that's this value here. Okay, looking at the scale, this is 64. And also we would look at 50, which is here. Which is 2, 4, 6, 56. Okay, so if they are our 2 values, we would do 64 subtract 56, which is 8. Find the number of cars with an average speed of more than 70. So what we do is we find 70 on this scale. Oh gosh, this is where it makes my eyes go funny. Use a different colour. That's here. Then we read across to here. Now, here, this is where some people made an error. This gap here is actually worth 20. So each of these is worth 4. So this value here is actually representing 188. Now the people who had more than 70 miles an hour would be these people here, which is 200 take away 188, which is 12. Okay, a bus completes a journey in 2 hours 24 and an average speed of 50 kilometers an hour. A car completes the journey, calculate the average speed of the car. So we need to know how far they've actually travelled. So speed is distance over time. Distance is speed times time. So the distance that the bus travelled is 2 hours 24. Now this is where we need to make sure we've got our 24 minutes as part of an hour. So I'm just going to write it as a mixed fraction, and then we multiply that by 50. So alpha equals a mixed fraction. So 2 hours and what it was already, 24 over 60 multiplied by 50, I think it was. Yep. Equals, so they travelled 120 kilometers. So the speed is distance over time, so it's 120 over 1 hour 45 minutes. Well, the 45 minutes, I'm hoping you'll find, is 1.75. Again, if you weren't happy with that, you could just write it as a mixed fraction as I did up above. So 120 divided by 1.75 is 68.6. kilometers per hour. Venn diagram shows the following information. So the number of people in P union G dash, so this would be P union G and dash gives us 2. The number of people P intersect G dash, so that's this little portion here, is 7. G intersect D dash, which is this portion here, is 3. So we know that the universal set is 23, so all of these 4 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, have to add up to 23. We've got 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 12, so then that means that this missing section has to be 11. If it helps, you can draw it in there too. Student chosen at random from a music group. So we're looking at the music group of people. So, oh, that's the universal set. Find the probability that this student plays the piano but does not play the guitar. So, plays the piano is all of these people here. So our denominator is going to be 18. But does not play the guitar, so that means it's these people here. So it's 7 over 18. So these people play the piano, so that means our denominator is 18, but does not play the guitar, so that's 7. 2 students who play the guitar are chosen at random. Find the probability they also play the piano. So, two students who play the guitar are chosen at random. So these people play the guitar. So we've got 14 as our denominator. And 11 of those people play the piano also. So that's person 1. Now once we've taken person 1 out, we then are down to 13 people, and only 10 of them are going to be someone we're interested in. So that gives 110, and 14 multiplied by 13 is 182. There we go. Oops. On the Venn diagram, shade P union G dash. So P union G dash. So we would shade all of P. And then we would shade G dash. Done.